My boy YouTube, welcome back to B8K Hobbies, and for today's episode we have an epic battle between two stores. The Target Select Mega Box and the Walmart Select Mega Box. So without further ado, let's open it up. What is this? A43? Oh. Does that mean we can get an anime out of this box? Alright, let's hope so. For the sake of our sanity. My sanity. Been ripping this product for a long time now. Not that lucky to pull some good cards, but I know for a fact that we can pull numbers in there. Numbered card. Alright, we'll not hope for the animal, we'll just hope for a gold out of 10. That'll be nice. Alright, this is the 2, 4, 5, 10. This is for the Walmart Target. Who will yield the best cracked ice? Start with the Target one. We got a Halliburton, PRIZM, Zach Levine, and ooh, nice, a Connect 4. Put him right there. Go alternate for this one. Come on. These packs are hard to rip. Okay, Jalen Tyson. Draymond Green. Ariel Hookporty. For a while I thought it was Embiid. And ooh, nice. We got a Stephon Castle. Very nice. Let's sleeve this one up first. You know what? Let's sleeve the Connect as well. 2 rookies. The premier level, both of them. It's a good start. Heading for a good start here. Got Derek Lively, Banchero, Randall, and another Zach Levine. Got a Miles Turner. Again? Kui? Been pulling you all. He's all over the place, this guy. And then Derek Lively. And Jalen Wells. Nice. We got a SAR. Got Ant. Another SAR. All right, we've been pulling Zach Levine left and right. Cody Williams, Donovan Mitchell, Giannis, and we got another rookie. It's another Connect. Got a Thompson. Ooh, LeBron James rookie card. There you go. Dylan Jones. And a Chet Holmgren. Got Brandon Ingram. Bradley Beal, Julius Randle, and Jokic. Halfway, not quite. We got a Julius Randle again. Oh, they got a Stephon Castle right there. And I think we got our numbered card. No, it's not. Oh, this is a tricolor Jalen Wells. Nice. And it's a long. Alright, we'll sleep them up later. Give some time. Yeah. Now we're halfway there. Got a Chris Paul. Oh, nice. I have it in a silver like this one. A Kyrie Irving. And a Devin Booker. All right. Halfway there. Give us something. Give us something. Got an Andrew Wiggins. We got a green Zion Williamson. Like the previous select. This is not numbered. Nope. DeJounte Murray and a LaMelo Ball. I mixed this one up. Let me put these things and put the rookies right here. Just like so. Okay. Right there. Alright, where am I? Oh, here. Right there. Come on. Give us something. We got a Keldon Johnson. Nikola Topic. Tristan da Silva. And a Halley. Joel Embiid, Kyrie, Giannis, and a Westbrook. Yves Messi, another Tyrese, and we got a tricolor of Lauri Markkanen and a Ja. All right, we're at the end game now. 3 packs each. Domantas Sabonis, another neon icon. Bob Carrington. I got a silver of DeAndre Ayton, little new Laker, and a Donovan Mitchell. You got James Harden and this a hot star or something. Yep. Ooh, nice. This is a Reed Shepherd. Sweet. Paulo Banchero and a Buzelis. Shout out to Tyler. Basketball Bud Show. Got a Matas Bulls Zelis. There you go. Let's leave this one out. And hot stars. Okay, let me check the back because the one that I pulled has a damage to it. This one is better. All right. That's 2 packs. Again, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate all your support. Ja Morant, Dalton Connect, BJ Washington, and Jalen Williams. Silver right there. Emmanuel Quickly. Adam Bona. I don't know what this is. A Şengün. The silver and a Kyrie. All right. Boils down to 1 pack each. Get a numbered card. Not. Give us a hit. We got a Jokic, another Jalen Wells, Zion, and a Cameron Thomas. Didn't get a hit from the target box. No numbered card. And last pack for the mega box from Walmart. Got a DeMar DeRozan, Ron Holland II, rookie, Asar Thompson, and Joel Embiid. You didn't get zip, nada. Don't pull any numbered card on both. But we do have these. We got a Reed Shepherd, Modest Buzelis, Jalen Wells, Kinnick, and a Stephon Castle. And a Ron Holland II. This one we got a Jalen Wells, Salon, and a Kinect. On the Prisms. And we got a lot of veteran Prisms. So, yeah. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in. Hanggang sa susunod. Paalam.